Hi, this is swathiramya, Assistant Professor, AIDS Department. You are here with me in IOT lecture series, and in this video we are going to discuss about the physical design of IOT. In the previous video we have been discussing different kind of interfaces and what all their functions, what all the things in the interfaces, and the last video also we were discussing about the layers, other two layers of physical design. You have four layers. I'll just give a quick thing on it. So we for physical design of IoT we have got four layers. We'll start with the link layer, network layer, transport layer and application layer. So link layer will be the responsible for the physical transmission of a data from the source to destination. This physical transmission, this physical link layer will be responsible for telling us what kind of medium it is going to use, whether it is a wired or wireless. If it is wired, what kind of protocol, what technology has been used for the communication. These all things will be mentioned in the link layer. Okay. Next there comes for the network layer. Network layer will be the responsible for addressing all these data packets, and also it helps us to routing the data packets. So we have got three protocols for that. For addressing high addressing capability we use IPv6, which has high number of, it should capable of give more number of addresses for the devices. Okay. So for if you need a low power and a low low data rate communication, for that you can use 6 low PAN protocol. Okay. In this video we are going to discuss about the transport layer. Next comes the transport layer. So from the name it is very clear what is the responsible of the transport layer. This layer is responsible for delivering the message between the networked device and ensuring that the data is transferred reliably and error free. The main thing is error free. Okay. That is the main responsibility of the transport layer. It will provide end to end message transfer capabilities independent of the network. It never sees what network they are going to use. Independent of the network, it will transfer the message from end to end user. Okay. Here we have used two kind of protocol. This is very well known protocol, TCP and UDP. Okay. TCP is nothing but transmission control protocol, which will be very reliable, and it will have the ordered sequential data. You can use a sequential data transfer using TCP. It will check the errors whenever it delivers the data between the application running on the host. Okay. Actually the work of TCP will be more reliable than compared to UDP. The connection, TCP is a connection oriented, and it is reliable for delivering data from one place to another place. So and also it has error control methodology, it has flow control methodology, it will do the congestion. Everything will be handled by TCP. See, these are all the advantage of using TCP. Okay. When you go for UDP, it is user datagram protocol. TCP is connection oriented, UDP is connectionless. TCP will be reliable, UDP is unreliable. In TCP it will be ordered and you have a synchronous data. UDP is not ordered, no order of delivery. Here you will send the data in the ordered way. TCP, for UDP you will not send the data in a order, no order of delivery, and no transmission will be there in UDP. UDP is also simpler one. It is a connectionless communication model with a minimal protocol mechanism, useful for time sensitive application. Actually UDP will be more useful for IoT system compared to TCP. So for TCP you need more computing things. For UDP you don't need more computing things. In some application it will be very suitable. UDP will be very suitable for IoT system. Okay. So with this I am just going for the next layer. So before talking about the next layer, let me give what are the protocols available in the next layer, and the remaining part will be discussed in the next session. Okay. So next layer will be the application layer. We will be transferring, will tell the physical medium of transfer and network, how it is addressed and how it is routed with the help of network layer, and what kind of, whether connection oriented, what kind of connection oriented or connectionless. All those protocols will be given by the transport layer protocol. Then there comes the user side, that is application layer. So in application layer, we use different protocols like HTTP, COAP, WebSocket, MQTT, XMPP, DDS and AMQP. Okay, these things I will be discussing in the next video, so that it will be better for you to understand, so that I can elaborate the things very clearly. Okay, so with this I will wind up this session. In the next session, let me explain the other things. Okay, bye bye, see you.